Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating another easy, simple eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. We're just going to be placing some foiled colors in some different spots and just using some neutrals on the eyes. So if you guys have your favorite neutral palette that has some cooler and warmer taupes, as well as your favorite foiled color, something more on the champagne side, or even a highlighter, that is all you'll need for this look. So if you guys would like to follow along and create this eyeshadow look with me, then just keep watching. I just started off by putting a little bit of Keep Me Covered by Essence over top of my lid. It just kind of smoothed over the veins that you see on my lid, added a little bit of warmth because there's almost a little bit of peachiness, a peach undertone to this. So just added a little bit of warmth to the lid as well and just smoothed over the canvas. All right, I'm going to use my Simple Kind of Life eyeshadow palette. This has some great taupes and beiges in it, warmer and cooler tones. I am going to go into the shade Faithful to Freedom, which is a warmer taupe color, and we're just going to create a really simple eyeshadow look today. I love just creating simple looks for us that are easy to recreate, not too heavy on the eye. So I'm going to go in with that on the outer corner, and I'm just going to kind of blend in a circular motion. So keeping that up on the brow bone and the lid, but more to the outer part of the eye. Start with the warmth first to give us a nice base to put the cooler tones on top of. Sometimes I find that the cooler tones can end up looking a little bit patchy on the eye. Even if you don't want them to be, like even if they're a good shadow, just by having kind of some cooler undertones on the eye already, adding more kind of just creates a little bit of patchiness, I find. So now I'm going to go in with the cooler tone and kind of stick that more in the crease, but in a circular motion. So the concentration of it is in the crease, but I'm blending it around in a circle, as you can see, and it's just kind of diffusing there. All right, now for the front part of the eye, we're going to go into the lighter shade, which is kind of like a cooler ivory tone, and just place that on the lid, and then going into the crease and above the crease. And then we can just go back in. Might even take some of this medium shade here. I'm going to take my Revlon So Fierce palette. This is in the shade Clapback, and I'm going in with this foiled color right here. It's more of a neutral tone, leaning towards the cooler side, so that is what I want. I want to take a pointed brush because I want precision with this. I may even go in with my finger as well. And I'm not going to go in the inner corner. I'm going to tilt my head back, and I'm just going to go right on the crease of the inner corner, like right along Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go in with my finger just so I get more pigment. Okay, that's giving a really pretty effect. You can see it more in person. The light kind of takes away from it a bit, but I'm going to go in with my nude palette now from Essence. Nothing compares to nude, and I'm going to go into the champagne foiled color. That one is a little bit on the cooler side, and I want to add just a bit more pigment. Now I'm going to just take this black eyeliner from Sephora, and I'm going to put that on my lash line. And then I'm going to take an angled brush, buff that out, create a little bit of a wing. I just added some mascara, and this is the final look. I think it gives a really neat effect to the inner part of the eye, the inner part of the crease, just to kind of follow along the shape of your deep set eyes. Something different, simple, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.